try tools. Ready, go, please.
Tools. 龙
Yes.
是
Yeah, okay, very good. Now, let me see here. This is... Can you try, please, this one?
马
Oh, very good. Yeah, okay. Now, number 8. 绵羊
绵羊
Yes, 绵羊
绵羊
Yes, you know the hand cream of Australia hand cream from such kind of a sheep, and in Chinese we call it 绵羊油。
绵羊油
Ah, wow, so correct. Very good. Okay, 绵羊, a kind of sheep.
Alright guys, so we're done with the class. At first, we actually had a little problem with the technicals, but you know what? Teacher Emily was really patient. She was able to adjust to our circumstances, and she's really able to teach me how to say the words properly. Actually, at first, I was a little confused about Chinese zodiac, and I felt a little scared because maybe I commit a mistake. But when Teacher Emily started talking, I can really say that she's really professional with what she is doing. And I'm really, really happy about it. I was really satisfied about my experience with Hanyuar. So if you want to experience what I have experienced, you can actually sign up now, log into the website and choose your teacher so that you can also master the Chinese language. So that's it for today, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!